Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good. Good to see you all back. How are you all today?
I am fine, thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, what day is today?
Monday.
Yeah, today is?
Monday.
Okay. Do you remember what we learnt yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did we learn?
Singular and plural.
Very good. Okay. Shall we all play a game to check whether you remember singular plural?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to put you into teams. Okay. This is team A and this is team B. Okay. Now team A is going to pick objects from the classroom. Okay. After they pick an object, you will have to give its plural form. So that will be done by team B. Okay. Now let us give the mic to team A. You will have to pick an object from the classroom. So what object are you going to pick?
Duster.
Very good. So he has picked duster. Okay. Book. Very good.
Pencil.
Very good. So they have picked duster, book, pencil. Now team B will have to give its plural form. Okay? Okay.
Dusters.
Very good. Okay.
Books.
Very good.
Pencils.
Very good. So you all remember what we learnt yesterday, right?
Yes.
Now do you all know what is singular and plural? Did you all enjoy this simple activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children. Thank you.